Hello everyone, so today we're making coriander and Dhanya Patti chutney. Let's begin. For this chutney you need fair amount of coriander leaf, 3 cloves and 4 green chili. So I've put all the ingredients in the mixer and I've chopped it, and you can just put it all. And now I'll add some salt here according to the taste. You can add it. So now the mixer is ready, and by the way, if you want to know which mixer I'm using, it's Brown's. So let's get started. The consistency should be like this, and now it's ready to get into the bowl. Last step is to put some lemon, and your delicious Dhanya Patti chutney is ready.